Hello guys, welcome to the first video of strategy section. So today I'm going to show you a strategy that the most of my beginner students like. And actually they found it very easy and profitable. The most important thing about it is you will play 90% in the safety side, which means this strategy is not risky. And I personally used this strategy when I was a beginner. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Basically, this strategy is based on 3 indicators. And I think that why beginners like it. So the first indicator is the stochastic. So I'm gonna make it big. So you can edit the color if you want. And hit OK. And the second indicator that we're gonna use is Bollinger Band. So go to trend and the Bollinger Band and let the settings as default. Click OK. And the last indicator that we're gonna use in this video is the moving average. So go make sure that you put 10 in the period and 0 in the shift. And make the moving average method simple and hit OK. So as you can see here, the strategy is composed from a lot of lines. And as I said, this strategy is based on 3 indicator signal, which means if the 3 indicators don't give you a buying or selling signal, then you cannot take any transaction. And by the way, when I said signal, I don't mean waiting for a notification in your platform or your cell phone. I mean when you analyze the 3 indicators, all the signs should pointing on the same transaction. So I know you're wondering now what are the signs. So let's start with the moving average. As we know, the mechanism of working of this indicator is when the candles go far from the moving average, it's returned to touch it. Like this example right here. And this example. And the Bollinger Band play the support and the resistance rule. And as you can see here, the first line here plays the resistance rule. And the last line here play the support rule. So whenever the market touch one of these 2 levels here, it turned the trend. And the rule of the middle line here is playing both rules. I mean, it's played the support and resistance in the same time. But as you can see here, the middle line is not strong as these 2 levels right here. And the last indicator in this strategy is the stochastic. So I'm not gonna explain it because it's simple and I already explained it in the indicators section. So after I introduced the indicators that we're gonna use in this strategy, now let's move to how the strategy works. Actually, as I said, when the 3 indicators give you the same signal, then you should take that transaction. In other words, when the blue line crosses the red line in the selling signal or the buying signal in the stochastic, and the market touch one of these levels right here, and it's from the trend, then this is the perfect opportunity to take the transaction, like this example right here. So as you can see, when the crash happened in the buying zone in the stochastic and the market touched the last line here and it's far from the trend, the market go up until this level right here. But we're not gonna take all these pips here because as I said, the market sometimes turn the trend from the middle line here. So we're gonna wait until the market crash the middle line, then we can take all these pips here. And yeah, that's it. So let's take another example like this one right here. So as you can see here, when the crash happened right here and the market touched the last line of the Bollinger Band and it's far from the moving average indicator, then this is the best opportunity of a buying transaction. And again, when the market crosses the middle line of Bollinger Band, it's go up until these levels. So guys, I hope you understand this strategy and it's not hard or complicated. And by the way, you can take a transaction based on 2 indicators if you want, but it's gonna be a little bit risky. You can take it, for example, just using the Bollinger Band and the moving average. I mean, it's your choice. Choose whatever you want. You can choose Bollinger Band and the stochastic. But as I said, if you want to be truly confident from your transactions, then your transaction should be based on 3 indicators. So guys, I hope you liked the video and see you in the next one.